Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another tutorial. My name is Ajay, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to thread your bobbin case. So if you have a manual sewing machine, I think this is what you would enjoy. So for this tutorial you're going to need a thread, your bobbin, and your sewing machine like you know. So let's get right into the process. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I'll be teaching you two methods. You can use a pin and then you can use the bobbin winder on the sewing machine. I like to use my comb. It's faster. So you place your thread on the spool pin. There are two spool pins on a sewing machine. So you place it on the lower spool pin. Then guide the thread around the thread guide like you see me doing. Then you take your bobbin, pass the thread through the hole there. This is optional. I just use it to safeguard the thread. But normally I don't do this. Normally I don't go through all this stress. I just wrap it round like you see me doing like this. Just a bit of it. Then flip it. You see the way I turned it. Make sure that the thread is coming towards you. Yes. So you put it on your bobbin winder, the spindle. Yes, place it there like that. Place it there and then you press down the clutch. Yes. This makes that black thing to relax on the wheel part. So press it down and then you can start rolling. I had a bit of a challenge that this thing was there. So when you press it down, you want to go ahead and start turning the wheel. So mine is a bit faulty, so it's hard now. I don't use this anymore. So when you press it down, if your own is new, it's going to work for you for a while. As you can see, then you start pedaling. As you pedal, try to guide the thread. Yeah. So mine is faulty. So I'm going to show you the second method that I use. This is what I use all the time, actually. So after you've rolled your thread on the winder, you want to take something and pass it through the hole and place it on your wheel. Yes, place it on your wheel. Make sure that the thread is facing you like you see it here, and then pedal. You notice that the bobbin is rolling and the thread is winding, so it's that easy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more beginner tutorials, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you the parts of the sewing machine and their functions. That's it for the tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you in one way or the other. Yes, and if it was helpful, I'd like you to leave a comment, a thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to click the subscribe button.